Rob, it was another frosty morning, cold, but yesterday warmed up and was so pretty outside.
Yeah, we've got more of that on tap for today. Almost exactly the same. Very chilly and frosty out there this morning. Got a bunch of spots back down near 32. But I think this afternoon, all that sunshine will get those temperatures climbing way up through the 60s. Maybe an outside chance to get near 70. Going to be chilly again to start tomorrow morning, but maybe not as cold as these past couple. All kinds of clear still out there for us with high pressures, our big weather player. And I think that's going to continue into the upcoming weekend. It's currently 32 degrees at the Tallahassee Airport, 33 for us in Valdosta, and Thomasville we're checking in at 34. I see a couple more 32s like in Quincy and in Blakely and in Cross City and in Live Oak. Madison's at 33, so is Perry. It's 36 at Wakulla this morning. Not breezy out there, not foggy out there, although we do have some reduced visibility around Perry down to about 1.5 miles. Can you see how all these yellow arrows are spinning in that general clockwise direction? That's that bubble of higher pressure slowly working its way along the Gulf Coast. As it continues to do that, eventually our winds will turn and start coming in from the south and maybe bring in enough moisture. So when this next boundary gets here, the leading edge of the next cooler air mass, maybe you can find a little something to wring out of the clouds, bring us a couple of showers. I'm not too concerned about any kind of significant rain event this weekend, but what I think happens here is we get a little warming trend for today and tomorrow and even Saturday before we smack those temperatures back down with that next push of cooler air starting Sunday, and we'll see some lower daytime highs for the second half of the weekend. Here's a look at that futurecast. Plenty of sunshine, but also maybe a couple of high thin clouds start to develop later on today and especially tomorrow. Heading into the upcoming weekend, we will generate a few more clouds and look for those shower chances come Sunday. But all the while, these next couple of days, pretty comfortable out there for February and pretty nice. On the Gulf, winds out of the north and northwest 5 to 12, seas 2 feet or less. So excellent conditions for the boaters. We just wrapped up the low tides. High tides will be next up, but not until much later on this morning. 30s, frosty and bright to get started. Sun will be up at 7:22. Let's go for 70 this afternoon. I think we can get there, or at least real close to it. A pretty nice February afternoon. How about mid-30s tonight? Clear, cold. Maybe a little bit more frost around tomorrow morning, but not like these past couple. And then here's that forecast heading into the weekend with that little bit of a warming trend. I think we can be in the 70s for highs tomorrow and Saturday before temperatures get knocked back down